Hello friends, I am Farhan from the Coding Crab. Welcome to my C# programming course for beginners. In this course, we will walk together in a step-by-step guide, learning C# programming from scratch. So if you don't know anything about programming, or you don't know anything about C#, you are in the exact right place. We will create a sample application, so we can feel that you are really applying what you are learning. So after this course, you will build a full application in C# connected to a SQL server. In this course, you will also learn how to combine and connect your application with databases, read and write data, and manage your databases from your C# application. Maybe you heard about C# and the term .NET. So what is C# and what is .NET? C# is the language that we are going to write, and it is the coding language. Microsoft has developed C# and also developed a language called VB.NET, F#, and ASP.NET and so on. We can develop different types of secured and robust applications, window applications, web applications, database applications, etc. in C# programming. Whereas .NET is a framework to develop software applications. This framework contains large number of class libraries, known as framework class library. The .NET framework supports more than 60 programming languages, such as C#, F#, VB.NET, etc. So now we understood what is C# and what is .NET. Let's talk about an important concept, which is a compilation and CLR. What you have to know, the computers understands only machine language, only electric signals, zeros and ones. So how the machine would understand what you are writing? In C# you are going to use some letters, words, numbers and so on. How the machine will understand these terms? Simply, we compile the code, we have a software called the compiler. This compiler will translate the C# programming code into a machine code. By the way, there is a general programming concept. Any programming language will be translated using a compiler, or what we call an interpreter, and some other languages to a machine code. So the machine can understand and run. I think the idea is so simple. Now we have something specific in .NET or in C#. When we write our C# code, the compiler will translate or transform this C# code into a code called IL bytecode. Then this IL bytecode can run on any machine that has .NET framework installed. So the compiler will translate the C# code into IL code. Then this IL code and the CLR, which is the common language runtime using framework, will run on any machine having .NET framework installed on. So this makes .NET portable language, so every system containing .NET framework installed can run your C# code using this IL bytecode and the CLR. I hope the idea is somehow simple. So friends, in this lecture we learned about C#, .NET framework, and compilation and the term CLR. In next lecture, we will install Visual Studio and start our project. Thank you for watching, see you in the next lecture.